Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be downloading some free games using your Xbox Live Gold membership. So let's just get started right here under My Games and Apps. Let's just click right there. We're going to scroll down all the way to memberships. Once you guys see memberships, you guys will see your gold membership right here. So let's just click on it. By the way, we just saw the 3 free games that we get right now. So here they are. Now I know this very first one, this one's almost gone, because this has been out free for a while now, so that means it's almost done. However, you guys can download this guy and this guy right now, and you guys have a little bit of time to actually download these. Okay, so get started right now. So let's just click on this guy first of all. Now with Xbox 360 games, sometimes it tells us to actually look at the price, so we're gonna click on see the price, and yes, it will be free, so you guys will see that. But it will ask you to verify your PayPal or your credit card information. Don't worry about that. So right now it's telling us it's free. So just make sure it says free right here. So on the top, it should say free. You guys are good to go. Just click on continue, confirm your payment, and then continue on. Okay. It's only going to do that for this specific game. For the other game that's for Xbox One already, it doesn't do that. For some reason, it does that with Xbox 360 games. Not 100% sure why it does that. So after you confirm your payment, you guys will see this screen. Just click on done, so just A, and then it should start installing without us even pressing install. So there we go, pending. Perfect. So it's gonna do that. I do have other stuff downloading, so that's why it's not downloading right away, but I'll show you later exactly how many gigs. Let's just get to the other game so you guys can see that it's also free. Let's just download it. So this is the next game. So you guys, as you can see, it says free right away. We can just press get. You do not have to press buy to own because it's free right now. Okay, so don't worry about that. I know it's kind of weird, but it's gonna start installing right away. So as you guys can see, there's a price right there. Don't worry about it. You're downloading the full version right now. None of these are trial versions. So let's just go back and look at how big they are. Let's just go right here. I know something else is downloading. So this guy's downloading for me. Let's just pause this so we can see everything else. Okay, so this guy. We can see that's almost 5 gigs. So exactly 438 gigs. This, I don't see any updates that come with it. So that means that's it. That's the total amount of space that's gonna take up in your Xbox. So it's not that much, so why not? So let's just pause this guy so you guys can see the next guy. All right, so here we go. So this one's way bigger. So we can see that it's already 15.56 gigs. That's significantly bigger than the other game. But again, we're not seeing any updates that come with it. And sometimes the updates, as you know, they're like 30 gigs, 20 gigs, and so on. So I'm happy that there's no updates with this one, and we only have to download those 15 gigs and we're good to go. Anyways, guys, as you know, you guys can download these games for free as long as you guys have Xbox Live Gold membership, which is something that you need anyways in order to play online multiplayer games. And that's it for this video. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.